Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week American presidential election was held and Donald Trump's he's the hero. The FX Street website mentions gold edge low and continued post-election fallout, higher interest rate expectations. So gold dropped to the below side. That's the $100 drop with the wins of president's American elections. Donald Trump wins, then the gold dropped $100 in within 1 day last week. That shows the dollar demand is the presidential election and the safe haven asset as the gold demand dropped to the below side. So that was happened last week. So we will see analyzed last week. My Telegram link is below. You can join with that link from Telegram group and access VIP access and make good profit from the gold trading. So we made massive profit from the gold sale on last week. So on the daily chart gold, you can see this trend line. This trend line was breakout to the last week. This is the trend line. So with the daily charts, technically this trend line break out to the last week to the below side. You can see this trend line support and gold continue to the create higher high in this area 2790 area is the gold created all-time high with the geopolitical tensions last 2-3 months that is gold create. Now last week drop to the below side breakout and retest. That's the last week was happened. You can see this area, this left side, so resistance becomes support in right side and drop to the below side. So I'm using Fibonacci. What is this breakout target? So I'm using Fibonacci, this movement. This is the movement Fibonacci. So price retest to this 0.681 lower golden zone price retest and drops. So my target is this area is the target is with the using Fibonacci with daily chart. This is the target with the Fibonacci area. So this is the first target you can see is the daily chart. This is the first target is 2600 is the first target. So I'm hoping next week also will continue to the downside and what is the economic data you should touch with the next week. So I'm going to the Forex Factory website next week Wednesday 13th. That's the inflation report USA released that the 2.4% is the current inflation report and Fed forecast is the 2.4% also. So second inflation wave will indicate this inflation report that the Fed is going to hold the rate. So last week you can see the FOMC meeting, that's the Fed cut the rate last Friday. FOMC meeting cut the rate 25 BPS 5.2 4.75%. That's the last week was happened. So now Federal Reserve interest rate is the 4.75. So 4.75 is the current interest rate. So inflation report not drop to the below side from 2.4%. Those next week most economic data is the US inflation report. That's the 2.4 is the forecast. Fed inflation target is the 2%. Inflation report not drop from this 2.4%. That's the US dollar demand and the gold will be dropped to the below side. So you should touch with the economic data regarding US dollar. So I'm going to the forward chart for your technical picture. So technical picture you should touch with this, analyze this is the, you can see this resistance area. This resistance area you can see this support area. This support become resistance in here last week. That's the 2710 area. So price will continue to this. The first target is this one is the 2650 is the first target. That's the first target. So I'm hoping to gold will continue to the downside, will continue next week also. And second target is this is the second target. 2600 is the second target with the sell opportunities with the gold trade. So that is my first target, and the second target is 2600. So sell opportunities in gold in next week also. So my telegram below is link is below. You can join in and get the accurate gold signals. Thank you.